Hello, so today I'm going to airbrush the armor of this Snowtrooper model that I 3D printed and primed last time. So the airbrushing is going to be done in 2 stages. I did some research and it has the whole model is mostly white, but it looks like from the reference shots from the movie and the other modelers' work, looks like the armor panels themselves are kind of pure white, and the clothes is a little bit off-white, and in some lighting situations or like modelers renderings anyway, the clothing itself is almost like has a yellowish tint or even a greenish sometimes. So I'm going to do it in 2 stages. I'm going to airbrush the armor panels first, and they're going to be pure white, and the black priming is going to serve as pre-shading. So I'm going to just apply white on the kind of the areas in the middle of the armor panels and the highlight areas. Then when it dries, I'm going to cover this with the glossy surface varnish, and that is also important because there is also a texture difference between the armor panels and the clothing. So once that is done, I will mask the armor panels with masking tape, and then I can either hand paint or airbrush the clothing with slightly different shade, and it's also going to be covered with the matte varnish later on. So hopefully it will be a nice effect. So that's the plan for today, just to do light airbrushing of the armor panels. And I'm going to use this airbrush right here. So I need to, I haven't been using it for a while, so it's been cleaned but sitting just on the shelf, so I need to make sure it flows nicely. So for the painting itself, even though I'm going to use acrylics, I'm definitely going to wear a respirator mask, and this is all in the spraying booth, so most of the spray is going to be vented out of the window. And acrylic paints are relatively safe compared to lacquers, but still, these are very fine particles, like micron size, so easy to inhale them, so it's better to stay safe.